Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Allmiller from HousePaws Mobile Veterinary Service, and this is Bella. She's one of my rescue dogs, and Bella's going to teach us how to brush your dog's teeth. It's very important to brush your pet's teeth. Just like us, if you don't brush your teeth, you're going to end up with plaque. Plaque leads to gingivitis. Once you get gingivitis, there becomes pockets under the gum that bacteria can hide in. Dogs are lucky, they don't get cavities like we do, but they do get those pockets under their gums. Once the bacteria goes under your gums, then the part of your tooth that doesn't have enamel can get affected, and you can actually get root abscesses. So the part of the tooth that you see that has enamel, underneath of the gum, the part of the tooth underneath of the gum has dentin, and dentin is kind of like virgin tooth. So if there's gingivitis, and you can see Bella has a little bit of gingivitis because she's trying to get away from that little bit of tartar there, there'll become a pocket under the gum. The bacteria will get into the pocket and will actually eat into the dentin and cause an abscess to form. The number one cause of tooth loss is gingivitis, and even this little bit of gingivitis that Bella has and this little bit of tartar, you can see that she has on her teeth. She's someone that should have a dentistry, so she's going to be getting a dentistry this week. So there's a few different ways to brush your dog's teeth. One is you can use a toothbrush, you can get a finger brush, or I'm going to show you how to make a finger brush. The first thing you want to do is desensitize your pet. So if you don't have a pet that's used to the feeling of your fingers in their mouth, first you want to take a week or two and get them used to the feeling of your fingers going across their gums, get them used to the feeling of you opening their mouth, and desensitize them. After you've done that, it's good to take a little bit of toothpaste and do the same thing. Get them used to the taste of the toothpaste and your finger going across their gums, so they kind of get used to the feeling and the taste. Yum! If you're going to use a toothbrush, you take a little bit of toothpaste and you can open the gums, and you're just going to do little circles along the tooth and the gum line, just like you would do. And it shouldn't take more than 30 seconds to a minute to brush your pet's teeth, especially if you have a pet that's used to having their teeth brushed. So it's that easy. If you want to use the finger brush, this is the method I prefer. I feel like with the finger brush, I don't have to actually look at what I'm doing. I can feel what I'm doing, and I feel like it's a little bit more comfortable for the pet. The gauze is abrasive, so it helps remove plaque. And so what I do is I wrap a gently wet gauze around my finger, I tuck in one side, and I basically make myself a finger brush. I'm going to take a little bit of doggy safe toothpaste. We don't use fluoride in pets because it can upset their stomachs and it's toxic, and they won't spit, they swallow. So what you're going to do is go in circles along the gum line, and without looking I can feel where her teeth and her gums are. I'm just going to go around in circles, and you can see I think she likes this better than what I was doing before. So I think Bella's toothbrushing of choice is a homemade finger brush. So if you can brush every day, that's best. If not, try to do it a few times a week, and that will keep your pet out of the vet's office getting unnecessary dentistries. If you can't brush, it's not a big deal. It's just that your pet will need to end up having dental cleanings to avoid gingivitis and tooth loss. Good luck!